Today's video is all about frame rates, when to use them, and how to easily edit clips of different frame rates. To demonstrate, here's me saying nacho cheese in a bunch of different frame rates in a 24 FPS video. Nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese.
Yeah, you get the idea. What is up, Vlog Nation? It's your boy, Awais with 3 Studios, and we back at it again with another video. Last week in the mixed resolutions video, check it out if you haven't already, I talked about how today we'll be talking about frame rates. So let's begin by talking about the common frame rates and when you would use each one of them. Starting with 24 FPS, technically 23.976, but we round up. This we would use whenever there's people talking or any audio of any kind that we don't want distorted. That's because our final product will be at the standard 24 FPS, so it'll match up. Next we have 30 FPS, which I use whenever we don't need the audio in the footage. So I'm talking about some B-roll, drone footage, and so on and so forth. The reason for 30 is because it slows down the footage just enough to get rid of any bumps or camera shakes or anything like that, which is especially useful for drone footage. It's not really slow enough for your conventional slow-mo, but honestly it just looks really nice as well. At 60 FPS we're hitting the more traditional slow-mo footage. This we would use whenever we want to linger on a moment and really make it last. But for talking slow-mo, of course, we have the 120, 240, so on and so forth, and you can use those at your own personal preferences. I feel like on action shots it looks really cool to really slow down a moment for a second before it kind of bursts. Obviously there are so many uses for slow-mo, and I'm sure you guys have so many creative ways that you use it. So I'll leave it there. I will hop into Premiere Pro so I can show you guys how to easily edit mixed frame rates. Real quick, if you're enjoying the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and let me know in the comments how you utilize slow-mo in your videos. Now in Premiere Pro, go to File, New, Sequence, click on the Settings tab, set the resolution to whatever you want it to be. If you have footage of mixed resolution, check out my video from last week where we dealt with that. But for now, I'm going to set mine to 1920 by 1080 and set the frame rate to 23.976, which is 24 FPS. Press OK. Now drag in your footage into the project. Now as you can see, I have footage of different frame rates here. Now before doing anything else, to make sure all the frame rates match, this is what we need to do. And this is like literally the first thing I do whenever I work on a new project. Select all the clips that you'll be using, right click on it, go to Modify, Interpret Footage. Now under frame rate, we need to check the box where it says assume this frame rate. And we're going to type in our sequence frame rate, which is 23.976. Press OK, and now if you look at our clips, all the frame rates match. If we, for example, drag the 60 FPS clip into our sequence, you can see that here it is in all this buttery smooth slow-mo. And this method, I cannot emphasize enough, is the best way of getting slow-mo footage. You shoot the footage at a higher frame rate, and then in post you adjust it to the sequence frame rate, and that's how you get your slow-mo. That is why it is crucial to be cognizant of your frame rates when you're shooting, if you want the best possible professional looking videos. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions and what videos do you want to see in the future. Check out last week's mixed resolutions video if you haven't already. Leave a like on that one and this video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell to see the next time I upload a video. But for now guys, it's your boy Awais with 3 Studios, and I'll see you next time.